everyone, today I will show you how to fade text in and out in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Add text, go to the edit page, drag a text or text title from the effects library, titles onto the timeline. Open the inspector panel, select the text clip, open the inspector top right corner. Create fade in effect. In the inspector, find the opacity under the settings tab. Move the playhead to where you want the fade to start, usually the beginning. Click the diamond icon, keyframe, next to opacity to set the first keyframe at 0% opacity. Move the playhead forward 1 to 2 seconds, then increase opacity to 100%. Create fade out effect. Move to the point where the fade out should start. Click the keyframe button and ensure opacity is 100%. Move the playhead forward 1 to 2 seconds, then lower opacity to 0%. Smooth transitions. Open the curves editor, small curve icon next to opacity. Adjust the curve for a smoother fade effect. And that is everything you need to know about how to fade text in and out in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.